Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about physical education CBSE class 11 first unit, changing trends and career in physical education. First, discussing about meaning and definitions of physical education. It it is an education which develops harmonious growth and development of the child. It develops all the powers of an individual, physical, mental, moral, as well as social. According to Comenius, education is the development of the whole man. The ultimate end of man is happiness with God. So, physical education is considered as education of the body, which enables an individual to grow and develop fully. Physical activities are the educational tools promote optimum growth and development. Physical education is not only doing physical activities but also related with health education, recreation, anatomy, physiology, and sociology. Some important definitions of physical education according to H.C. Burke. Physical education is the part of the general education program, which is considered with growth, development, and education of the children through the medium of big muscle activities. Next, physical physical activities are the tools. They are so selected and conducted as to influence every child's life physically, mentally, emotionally, and morally. Next, according to J.P. Thomas, physical education is the education through physical activities for the development of the total personality of the child and its fulfillment and perfection in body, mind, and spirit. Next, one more author, J.B. Nash. Physical education is the Physical education is that field of education which deals with big muscles activities and their related responses. Next, conclusion of the definitions. Physical education is the integral part of the general education which promotes harmonious growth and development through vigorous muscular activities. A person modifies his behavior. A person becomes physically, mentally, socially, and emotionally adjusted within the society. Through physical activities, a person improves and strengthens his body, which is essential for leading a fruitful life. It promotes efficient functioning of the body. Next, aim, aim and objectives of physical education. Physical education is considered essential part of the general education because it helps in achieving the aim of general education. Physical education helps in developing certain qualities in an individual which makes him efficient for any kind of learning. According to National Plan of Physical Education and Recreation, the aim of physical education must be make every child physically, mentally, emotionally fit and also develop in him such personal and social qualities as will help him to live in happily with others, build him up as good citizen. The aim of physical education is generalized purpose. In 1964, William said, 1964, William said, physical education should aim to provide skilled leadership, adequate facilities, and ample time that will afford an opportunity for the individuals or groups to act in situations that are physically wholesome, mentally stimulating, and satisfying, and socially sound. So, aim of physical education is considered as wholesome development of personality. Aim of always considered as difficult task, but when it is achieved, it becomes objectives. Aim, growth and development or overall development of the personality. Next, objectives of physical education. Objectives of physical education. First one, organic development, neuromuscular development, social development, development of habits, emotional development. First, discussing about organic development. The first and primary objective of physical education is to develop good physique. Through physical training, the efficiency of organic system like respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, endocrine system, muscular system, and neuromuscular system. These organic developments leads to development of physical fitness components. The physical fitness includes strength, speed, flexibility, agility, endurance, coordination. Physical fitness enables a person to perform vigorous activities. Generally, physical fitness and good health are considered same, but it is wrong. A healthy person may be physically unfit because he may be lacking in any components of physical fitness. Regular exercise also increase the efficiency and capacity of an individual to lead fruitful life. Next, second one, neuromuscular development. Neuromuscular development. The brain and body are two separate things but are interdependent. The development of neuromuscular skills develop the ability of various activities like running, jumping, catching, etc. It develops control and balance of the body. It also leads the development of reflexes. A person becomes quick in his action. He reacts quickly to the sensory stimulation. The development of neuromuscular coordination leads to efficient and graceful movement with little expenditure of energy. See this picture, neuromuscular coordination, hand and eye coordination. Next, social development. The next objective of physical education is towards the social development. Physical education aims to develop personality of the individual. According to H.J. Ising, personality is the more or less stable and enduring organization of the persons. Temperament, intellect, and physique, character, which determine is unique adjustment to the environment. Through participation in physical activities, many qualities like confidence, obedience, temperament, sincerity, sacrifice, impartiality, feeling of friendliness, cooperation, self-control, etc. are developed. These developments promote the social ability and from a healthy society. See this picture. Physical education provides equal opportunities to its participation to interact with other individuals and groups. This gives wholesome experience to learn social norms. Individual develop social qualities and social habits. Values of competitions and cooperation are also included. Next one, development of habits. Many habits are developed through physical education. It aims to develop health habits relating to sleep, food, personal hygiene, and exercise. See example, see this picture. Emotions, belief, attitude, feeling, behavior. Next, last one, emotional development. Physical education makes a personal emotional balance. The word emotion is derived from the Latin word emovere, which means to stir up. According to L.D. Crow and A. Crow, education is an effective experience that accompanies generalized inner adjustment and mental physiological stirred up status in the individual and that show itself in his over behavior. Through participation in physical activities mean learn about emotions behavior. He knows how to react in society. An emotional balanced individual reacts wisely when he is emotionally aroused. See this picture, emotional development, positivity, caring environment, praise and encouragement, all experience success, use of role models, success in meeting challenges, feeling of self-worth, mood swings. Next, career options in physical education. Teaching, coaching, fitness related, sports media, sports administration, health therapy, sports marketing. First, what is the career options in physical education? Physical education is the study and practice of recreational activities or physical fitness, health lifestyle issues and interpersonal skills. In old days, physical education was confined to only teaching and coaching in schools or colleges and universities. The physical education personnel were limited to games and sports, but now it has vast area. A physical education professional may be a teacher, a trainer, a sports specialist, or scientist whose primary responsibilities address health and physical education as many career avenues like sports management, sports media, sports medicine, biomechanics, designing, testing sports equipment, etc. The other specialized branch like exercise physiology helps in getting employment in health clubs, hospitals and rehabilitation centers, etc. Now first discussing career options. First one, teaching. Teaching. Teaching as a profession. The physical education is required to be taught taught to every individuals irrespective of age. So the physical education teacher as a profession is in great need all over the world. In India, physical education is taught at many levels and accordingly teachers are appointed. Example, trained graduate teachers, DPE in schools. DPE means Diploma in Physical Education. The trained graduate teachers are required for junior schools and they are assigned to teach games and sports to keep young kids fit. Physical drills or calisthenics or rhythmic minor games are taught by trained graduate teachers. Second one, postgraduate teachers are lecturers in schools. The postgraduate teachers or lecturers in schools teach physical education in theory and practical classes. Many developments like physical, mental, emotional, and social developments are taught by this personnel in senior schools. Many allied branches like health education are integral part of the physical education curriculum. Third one, lectures at college level. The physical education in India has become very popular at college level. Every college has lecture in physical education who teaches and organize physical activities at the college level. Next, fourth one, lectures at universities. The lectures at universities teach postgraduate classes of physical education. They also teach practical and theory for these professional classes. For higher studies following branches like example biomechanics, kinesiology, sports anthropometric, sports psychology, sports medicine, philosophy of physical education, research methodology in physical education, exercise physiology, sports sociology, and sports nutrition. Okay, second one, coaching. Coaching as a profession. Physical education is the different field of coaching. The coaches can optimum games as for the previous experience as a player in the game. There are several games played in the world and every game requires specialized coaching. After doing diploma of coaching in particular game, a person gets job as coach of that game. Example, next fitness expert as a profession. See, nowadays everybody has become fitness conscious. A fitness experts can have specialization in any of the following fields. Example, aerobic trainers, aerobic trainer, calisthenic expert, rhythmic expert, yoga instructor, weightlifting trainer or weight training experts. See, fitness related, aerobics trainer, calisthenic experts. Calisthenic means lightweight equipments using exercise lightweight. Example dumbbells, oops, Indian clubs, etc. Next, rhythmic experts with music. Next, yoga instructor, weight training experts. Next one, fourth one, sports media. All over the world, sports is keenly watched. So, lot of people work in the area of sports journalism. The following are the branches for which a person can optimum as career. Sports journalist for print media like newspaper, sports journalist of electronic media working for television, sports photographer, still and video, commentators for radio and TV, sports magazines, writers. Next, sports administration or sports management. Due to increase in number of competitions and sporting events, need of sports administration it felt, there can be following opportunities to optimum as career. Manager for competitions, manager for sports clubs, manager for swimming pools, director of intra and extramurals, manager of various stadiums for their maintenance and functioning, tours or trekking managers, working as manager of professional sports clubs, director or assistant director with universities, director or assistant director with state departments. Next, health related instructors or therapists. Health hazards are on the increase due to rapid increase in pollution and industrialization. Even lack of exercise health awareness and obesity related problems are on the rise. A person can get a person can get into his career by working in weight control clubs, spa clubs, dance clubs, etc. Physiotherapy is also in great demand as for rehabilitation. You need physiotherapist who works to regain the former fitness. Even injuries also require physiotherapists to restore fitness. The role of measures is also important in the field of sports. Next one, sports marketing. Due to glittering world, lot of money is spent on the conduct of championships. Since millions of rupees are spent on sports competitions, so it requires a special person to deal in the field. Financial advisors and marketing professionals can work for getting more money into sports. To collect money and maintain expenditure, lots of people are required. Next, competitions in various sports at national level and international level. First, discussing about competitions at national level. Two types: individual competitions. Second one, multidiscipline competitions. Multidiscipline competitions, Khelo India Games, school national games, national games. First, discussing about competition at national level. First one, individual competition. All state sports federations conduct the various nationals for sub-junior, junior, youth and senior national championship annually under the aegis of national sports federations. New sports have started their league tournaments where professional players play the competitions. Example, Pro Kabaddi, Hockey India League, National Football League, etc. Next, second one, multidiscipline competitions. Multidiscipline competitions. In India, the following multidiscipline competitions are the organized. First one, Khelo India Games. The first edition of Khelo India School Games are organized in collaboration with the school games. Games Federation in India, SGFI. School Games Federation of India. The National Sports Federations, the second edition of Kelo India was renamed as Kelo India Youth Games. Kelo India Youth Games are organized in the age category of under 17 and under 21 years. It is not restricted to schools only, and now college and university students can also participate in the competition. Next, third one, school national games. National school games has a vision to provide a robust, vibrant and holistic physical education and school sports activity that will engender excellence in schools sports sector in India. SGFI has aimed to develop the character and personality amongst the school athletes. The SGFI competitions is held annually. Every year conducted Kelo India Games. Next one, school national games. The national games were earlier known as Indian Olympic Games. These were organized by any state under the aegis of Indian Olympic Association. First Indian Olympic Games were held in Lahore in 1924 till 1938. Eighth, Eighth Indian Olympic Games were held at after each they were renamed as National Games. The last edition of National Games was held at Kerala in 2015. Next, competitions at international level. Individual competitions, multidisciplinary competitions. First one, individual competitions. All national sports federations conduct the various international competitions, junior, youth and senior championships under the aegis of the world body. Second one, multidisciplinary competitions. First one, Asian Games. The Asian Games is multidisciplinary sports event held once in every 4 years. Athletes from all Asian countries participate in the event. The Asian Games are recognized by the International Olympic Committee. The last edition of Asian Games was recognized by Indonesia. Next, Commonwealth Games, second one. Second, second one, Commonwealth Games. The Commonwealth Games are an international multi sports event involving athletes from the Commonwealth of Nations. The event was first held in 1930 and the last edition Commonwealth Games was held in Gold Coast, Australia. It was held after every 4 years. Now next 2022 Birmingham conducting Commonwealth Games. Next Olympics. The Olympic Games are leading international sporting events featuring summer and winter sports competition in which thousands of athletes from around the world participate. The Olympic Games are considered the world's foremost sports competitions with more than 200 nations participating. Olympic Games are held every 4 years. First modern Olympic Games held in 1896 Athens. Next, Kelo India program. Objectives of Kelo India: to create inspirational value amongst budding players in country. There is no dearth of sporting talent in our nation. The budding athletes need encouragement to excel in the field of sports. Second objective, to create platform for talent identification. The main objective of the Kelo India is to identify the talent at all levels. Once the talent is found, training can be given to excellent in the field of sports. Third objective, the benchmark technical conduct of the game with international standards. Technical conduct must be at par with international standards. Special emphasis will be given to improve the technical conduct. Next, components of Kelo India. First, Kelo India program introduction. Kelo India Games were introduced to develop the sports culture in India at grassroots level. The aim was popularize all the Indian sports as well as the aim clearly states to establish India as a great sporting nation. Playing sports inculcate team spirit, develop strategies and analytical thinking, leadership skills, goal setting and risk thinking. A fit and healthy individuals leads to an equally healthy society and strong nation. Sports and sports is an extremely important component for the overall development of our nation. India in the last few years has made steady progress in the field of sports. This tremendous potential needs to showcased at a global level platform. It's time we inspire young talent, give them top notch infrastructure and training of the highest level. We need to inculcate a strong spirit of participation in sports that enables players to demonstrate their true potential. Only then can India realize its dream of becoming a sports superpower. The inaugural Kelo India Games were named as Kelo India School Games. These games were held from 31st January to 8th February 2018 in New Delhi. The event was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In the age category of under 17 years, 16 disciplines were conducted in the competitions. They include archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, football, gymnastics, hockey, judo, kabaddi, kho shooting, swimming, volleyball, weightlifting, and wrestling. The event got much popularity. 5,000 students from 29 states and 7 union territories participated. Basically, Kelo India scheme aims to encourage sports in the country. The second edition Kelo India School Games was held Kelo India Youth Games from January 9 to January 2019 in Pune, Maharashtra. Next, Kelo India Games vision development of sports culture of achieving sports excellence in the country. Mission mainly holistic development of children and youth community is the major concern of Kelo India scheme. This scheme helps to develop social integration, gender equality, healthy lifestyle and economic opportunities. The development of sports at international level will be a great national pride. Next, components of Kelo India. First one, development of playfield. This component includes preparation of national inventory of playfield and sports infrastructure by Government of India and development of the playfields at various state level, district level and international level. Second one, community coaching development. The significance is given for skills development and certification system for sports coaching. At the grassroots level, the physical education teachers must be educated and trained for coaching. Third one, state level Kelo India centers. This involves supporting better utilization of sports infrastructure in relation to states or union territories. State level Kelo India centers. Example, Sangni, Laden Sports Academy, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, Jai Prakash Narayan National Youth Center, Bangalore, Karnataka, G.V. Raja Sir Secondary, Senior Secondary Sports School, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, Kuman Lampak Sports Complex, Impal, Manipur, Rajiv Gandhi Stadium, Aizawl, Mizoram, State Sports Academy, IJ Stadium, Kohima, Nagaland, Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Regional Sports School, Ampi, Akinpet, Telangana. Next, annual sports meets or annual sports competitions. Annual sports competitions must be organized to provide platform for children to exhibit their talent of sports. Under the scheme of central government organizes the following national level competitions: Kelo India National School Games and Kelo India National University Games. Next one, talent search and development. Talent search and development. For the selection of the prizes winners for the scheme. A talent identification community is instituted to spot and identify talent with the help of globality accepted scientific method. Example, human resource, caring, ability, hearing, skill training, management or recruitment. Next, utilization and creation of sports infrastructure. Aim is to provide sports infrastructure and its utilization across the nation. Example, planning, coordination, drawing, circulation, design, permit, utility, stakeout, construction, cut, repair, inventory. Next one, physical fitness of the school going children. Physical fitness of school going children. This component aims to develop physical education curriculum by adding physical activities in the schools. A method will be made available to measure the physical fitness level of children. Next one, support to regional and national sports academies. Support to regional and national sports academies. These components take care of providing resource under public-private partnerships. Next one, development of sports for women. More significance will be especially for women participated in sports. The participation is limited will be encouraged. Say example, more women participated in sports. PV Sindhu, Hima Das. Next one, development of sports for children with special needs. Special children's. The children with special needs will be given more opportunities to train and compete in the sports. Sports Authority of India will be creating sports infrastructure for persons with disabilities. Next one, sports for peace and development. Sports for peace and development. Under the special package for Jammu and Kashmir, the Government of India is providing funds of up to 200 crores for enhancement of sports facilities in the state. Next, promotion of rural or indigenous sports in the country. Promotion of rural or indigenous sports in the country. To spread sporting culture in the country, significance will be given to rural games. Okay. Next, some MCQ questions. Discussing about MCQ questions. What is the aim of physical education? Already starting only I said growth and development. First one also answer, growth and development, overall development of the personality. This A and C both are answers. What is the aim of physical education? Growth and development, overall development of the personality. Question number 2, which is not an objective of physical education. Not an objective of physical education. This is organic development, social development, emotional development. These three objectives of physical education. Technical development is not objective of physical education? Answer is technical development. Question number 3. Development of neuromuscular coordination is in between. Development of neuromuscular coordination is in between brain and body. Next, question number 4. The fitness expert cannot have specialized of sports journalism. These three: aerobic trainer, rhythmic experts, calisthenic experts. These three specialized games. Next, question number 5. Sports administration cannot have opportunity to optimum as career. Manager of school. Question number 6. When India hosted first Asian Games? 1951 in Delhi. Next, question number 7. Which city hosted Hockey World Cup in India in 2018? Bhubaneswar. First Indian Olympic Games were held in Lahore. The last edition of National Games was in 2015, Kerala. Next, question number 10. The inaugural Khelo India Games were held from 31st January to 11th February 2018. Second one, January 1st to January 28th, 2019. Next, question number 11. In first Khelo India Games, the competition was held in 16 disciplines. Question number 12. The second edition of Khelo India School Games was held at Pune. Okay, thank you.